This is a 1967 Saab 96 V4 Deluxe. I had an issue with this car where it seemed like the clutch was slipping, and it turned out to be the transmission. So these cars have a freewheel device on the input shaft that allows the transmission to overrun the engine when it's engaged, and that was slipping. It's actually behind this front assembly of the transmission. You can see the rod that actuates that. So it's like a synchronizer, and the synchronizer was still driving the transmission but not 100%. So I replaced the transmission and got it all back together, and I'm about to start it. Just hooked up power and giving it a minute, checking over wiring, checking over, last minute things. So I will say this car is built from bits and pieces that I've acquired, and I've got parts cars. While I was in there, I actually cleaned and painted the whole belly pan. Some chrome heat paint on here because it was chipping away. So this engine's always been kind of a mystery, but I'll tell you one thing, the ports are all cleaned up and they're very smooth, and this thing, it's always idled like it's got a, some kind of racing cam in it. And it's, of course, got the 2-barrel Weber conversion, so it very well could have good bits in it. So I'm going to go over the electrics and the ignition and fuel pump and check leaks, and then fire it up, and hopefully this car drives around for the first time properly since I've had it.